Welcome to Study Loop.
To answer this question, we need to understand the evolutionary benefit of mimicry and how it affects natural selection. For the study described in this question, researchers look at yellow buntings, which are birds that feed on butterflies. One specific type of butterfly has developed an eye spot, and the eye spot looks very similar to owl eyes, which is a natural predator of yellow buntings. So this study compares the butterflies with the eye spot and the butterflies that do not have an eye spot. And researchers measure between these two groups how many of the yellow buntings flee and how that relates to natural selection. So it should stand that butterflies with eye spots that resemble a natural predator would cause yellow buntings to flee. This would allow the butterflies with the eye spot to survive and pass on the favorable trait to their offspring, which is common for natural selection. Based on this thought process, we can conclude that option D is the correct answer.